observe that here so many vehicles are moving one places to another places. Our animals are moving one place to another places, and everything will be moved here. Are in motion is there. Human beings also moving one places to another places. So now we are discuss about that motion. What is meant by motion? Here, a body which moves, a body which changes its position with respect to fixed point is called as a motion. Once again I will write the definition here. A body which motion. What is the definition of motion? A body which changes its position with respect to fixed point. Body changes. A body which changes its position. A body which changes. A body which changes with respect to its position. Its position is called motion. Is called motion. Here suppose I take a table here. In the table one wooden block is there. Wooden block. So the position of the wooden block is rest in position. Rest in position. The wooden block put at a point. What is the position of the wooden block? Rest in position. Now we are applied some amount of force on it. What happened here, sir? The wooden block is moves. The direction of the applied force. The direction of the applied force. The wooden block to reach that B point. So a body which changes with respect to its position. With respect to its position is called as a motion. So here the body has in resting position. We applied any force on it, an external force will be applied on it. What happened? The wooden block to change its one places to another place. That wooden block has in motion is there. Okay. Here different types of motions are there. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion, such as like this. Before you learn uniform motion, you learn some physical quantity has distance, displacement, velocity, okay, and speed, etc. First of all, you learn distance. So first, distance is distance. What is meant by distance? Here, a person will be stay at a point. This person has thrown the one stone here, sir. Thrown into the air to reach the maximum height. At the maximum height, the final velocity of the body has v is equal to 0. Again in return journey, the ball to reach that D point, a stone or ball. Here, the body covered a long length is known as a distance. The long length is known as a distance. A body is covered long length is known as a distance. So that means a body covered long length is known as a distance. Here, ASB. Suppose imaginary, this is the ASB. This is a vector. ASB is the direction of this stone or ball is there. This is the distance. So distance is traveled always positive here. Now, what are the units of distance? Distance units. The units of the SI unit of distance is meter. M is there. The CGS unit of distance is centimeter. Centimeter. Shortcut cm is there. Centimeter. So there is the distance. What is the definition of the distance? The long length is known as a distance. The long length is known as a distance. The long length. That means this direction is there. Here, second one is displacement. What is the one? Second one is displacement. Displacement. The small length covered the small length between any 2 points. Here AB is there. This is called as a displacement. The small length between any 2 points, that is called as a displacement. The long length between any 2 points, that is called as a distance. Okay? Second one is the small length. The small length between any 2 points. Any 2 points is called displacement. Here, once again, the definition for the distance: the long length between any 2 points. Here, the long length between any 2 points. Any 2 points is called distance. What is the definition of displacement? The smallest length or the small length between any 2 points is called as a displacement. But what about the units of displacement in CJ system and MK system is that? Here, the SI unit of displacement is meter. The CGS unit of displacement is centimeter. Shortcut form, small m is there, and here cm. So next, another physical quantity here. Another one is velocity. I will arrange the board. Here, velocity. The rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. It is denoted by v. It is a vector quantity. So I have vector quantity and scalar quantity. I have done the definitions of the both after. So it is denoted by v. So v is equal to f by t. So displacement is denoted by s is there. S. Okay. But what about the units of velocity? The SI unit of or MK system is there. SI or MK system. The SI unit of velocity is, so displacement is denoted in IC system is meter. And time is always measured in all systems. FES, CGS and MKS or SI system always measured in seconds. Here simple shortcut form, meter by second or meter per second. Here meter into second inverse. All are the same. Meter per second or meter per second, meter second inverse. How can you get this one? You know, good maths. Here meter by second is there. Meter by second. You know one of the formula, 1 by e to the power of n. That is equal to e to the power of minus n. E to the power of minus m. 1 by e to the power of n. Here m into 1 by second power 1. Second power 1. 1 by e to the power of m. That is e to the power of minus m. That means second inverse. Second inverse. So this is the unit for the SI unit for the velocity. Similarly, the CGS units of velocity in CGS system is there. The CGS unit of velocity is, velocity is measured in CGS system is centimeter. What are centimeter? Centimeter by second. Centimeter per second or centimeter into second inverse. Centimeter into second inverse. Okay? So now we learn distance, displacement, velocity. Another one is acceleration. Another one is acceleration. So what is meant by acceleration? Another one. What is meant by acceleration? Acceleration. Acceleration. It is denoted by A. Here, the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Acceleration. Suppose this is a plane surface here. Take a wooden block. The position of the wooden block in rest. Here the velocity of the initial velocity of the body has u is equal to 0 meter per second is there. At t time is 0 seconds. 0 seconds. Here apply some force on it. What happens? The wooden block is moves and it covers some time taken. The body has to reach the A, to start the point A and to reach the B point here. B point to cover the some time taken here. And final was the body B meter per second is there. This wooden block gets some acceleration, some more change in velocities. Change in velocity, that is the initial velocity and final velocity. So what is the definition for the acceleration? The rate of change of velocity. The acceleration is acceleration change in velocity. change in velocity by time interval. Time interval. Therefore, A is equal to V minus U by T. This is the main formula for the acceleration. What is the formula of acceleration? A is equal, this is A, but not 9. A is equal to V minus U by T. But what about the units of acceleration in MK system, at the same time cheese system? Units of acceleration. Units of acceleration. First of all, the SI unit of acceleration. Here A is equal to V minus U by T. Already you know that the units of velocities. Here in the situation U is equal to 0. So finally A is equal to V by T. Okay. Here you know that the units of velocity in SI system is meter by second by the units of time second. That means meter by the second is goes to denominator. Second into second by meter by second into second. Second square as per mass e to the power of m into e to the power of n e to the power of m plus n. You apply the formula e to the power of m into e to the power of n, that is equal to e to the power of m plus n. Similarly, second power 1 into second power 1. Second 1 plus 1, that is equal to second square. Second square. Here meter per second square or meter into second inverse. Second minus 2. Second minus 2. As we applied the mass in the before in the velocity. Already I explained here. Next one is the CGS units of acceleration. In acceleration, the CGS unit of acceleration. The CGS unit of acceleration. So A is equal to V minus U by T. Already know that the units of velocity in CGS system is centimeter by second. Whole by the units of time is second. Therefore, centimeter by second into second, that is equal to centimeter by second square or centimeter per second square or centimeter into second minus 2. Okay, you apply the formula 1 by e to the power of m, that is equal to e to the power of minus m in mass formula. Okay. Now we have discussed in the class motion, distance, displacement, velocity and acceleration. Okay, next another class I will tell that uniform motion,